friends, so this is part 2 of my day 1 in Orlando. I am here at the beautiful Eola Park. Somehow this reminded me, I don't know why, it reminded me of Seattle. Of course, the only thing that's different is unlike Seattle, which is commonly known as, or come to be known as Freeattle, there's no one sleeping in the park. Beautiful sculpture. This sculpture is gifted to the city of Orlando by Khalid Akikawi of Cedar, Lebanon. Here at the beautiful Eola Park. Like I said, it reminds me of Seattle, and also perhaps when you walk the cobblestone street here, just distance away from here, that reminded me of Napa. There's a combination of both in this particular area, Napa and Seattle. As my second home, I look forward to many outdoors activity as I visit the beautiful Orlando.
Of love's gray coast home, birds and swirls have that.
Now, a portion of this park also reminds me a little bit of Burnham Park's Philippines. The difference is the water is much cleaner, or the lake is much cleaner. And the difference is perhaps there's a lot of vegetation there surrounding the lake, and the drain off process may be a little bit different. Here, the water is, like I said, it's much cleaner. It's beautiful. And like this lake at Eola Park, in the Philippines, there's also a paddle boat as well. So this is something I look forward to do at some point. I'm sure my granddaughter would also enjoy this as well. So this is the park version of the amphitheater, the Eola Park. Duck is what's for dinner. sculpture is of course of pigeons or seagulls. Definitely seagulls. I don't know why I mentioned pigeons. So this sculpture is called Take a Flight, and is gifted to the City of Orlando by Darden. The material itself is aluminum magnesium. Very beautiful. So my friends, as you can tell, I am not just a water boy. I love nature. And this is indicative as to why you'll find me in many settings like this. Nothing will ever take the place of the tropical island of Jamaica that every chance I get to find something, however similar, I will capture it. It's easy to assume that based on the size of the park, the distance is about a mile. A mile in walk from start to finish around the park. It's beautiful and relaxing. So my friends, This is part 2 of today's video at the Eola Park. Now, a lot of people are walking around without masks. I'm away from anyone at this point. I'm still very cautious, and especially being in the hotbed of, I'm in a cocoa field. I am wearing my darn mask. I gotta get through this. So my friends, thanks for coming along with me. Again, as I mentioned, this is part 2 of day 1 of my Orlando trip.